Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to get rid of your acne and dark spots on your face, on your selfie, on the AirBrush application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Then tap on either the camera button to take a picture with your phone, or to the library button and select the picture that you want to edit. After that, click on the retouch section down below, which is the second option. Then slide to the right side of the screen until you find this acne function. So tap on it. Zoom in and find the relevant part of your selfie or of your face where you can find the acne, and then position your tool to it, and then you will be able to get rid of it. As you can see, if you want to use the auto function, tap on this magic wand icon, and then you will be able to use the auto acne eraser function. So it will erase the dark spots and pimples automatically. So here you can see the result, and if you are satisfied with it, click on the checkmark icon down below in order to save it. That's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.